Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make cute little toddler. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to avatar, menu, body, and then here select body and write mini 2 times, right? Then select the first option here. And then you need to select arms, you can see here, and legs. So let's go with legs and arms here, and also if you want to you can set a torso as well here. Also I just removed my accessories so you can see more clearly. And then the next step what you need to do here, you need to go to a body, then select here, and then here you just need to write Athena, right? Athena, and then you just need to select a here. I will go with a brown, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to menu, go to clothing, head, and then you just need to write faceless, right? Then select this face. And then what you need to do here, you need to go to face, and then you just need to write sobbing, right? And then select a sobbing face that you think will fit the best, okay? I don't think the head fits quite well, so let's select this one that is called, as you can see here, faceless, right? And then also select a sobbing face. Then just write 3D mouth and then select whatever you like the most, right? So let's select for example this one, okay? Then write colic and add a colic to your hair like this, okay? Then what you need to do here is to go to menu, go to themes, baby, and then also you can add hat, this thing here. Also you can add a the thing here, maybe bottle, and also you can add a diapers, that is these ones, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.